Welcome to this video on installing and upgrading Silverfox's Labacus Innovator software. Please note that you need administrator rights to install the software. If you have a Fox in a box, you'll also need full administration rights over the DTP 1/300 printer.
If you'd like more functionality and you want to find out more about what's available as well as upgrading, please skip to 4 minutes 13 seconds on this video.
Otherwise, follow these steps to download the latest release. On the Silverfox website, go to Shop and then Software. Click on the Labacus Innovator software icon and then select the Trial option. Select Free Download and fill in the form. For updates on new product innovation along with tips on how to save project time, please subscribe to the Silverfox newsletter. Now click Access Download. Check your email and follow the link that you'll have been sent. From that link, download the software. If your company doesn't allow downloads of exe files, download the zip file instead. Now you can install the Labacus Innovator software from your download, CD or USB. If you're happy with the license agreement, accept it and click Next. Then click Install. Select Launch Labacus Innovator and then select Finish. Now click on Purchase Key. If you installed the software via a CD, you'll find the setup key inside the CD case. If you installed the software via a USB, you'll find the setup key included on a PDF saved on the USB itself. If you bought the software either via our website or via our sales department, check your emails for the setup key. Please note that this software offers a single desk license. Additional desk licenses are available, but if you need one of these, please contact our sales department. Copy the setup key that you've been sent then paste it into the software. Click the green tick and then complete the user registration form. Save this registration form on your computer's desktop. Now send an email to support@silverfox.co.uk attaching to it the registration form you've just saved. It may take up to 4 working days for Silverfox to issue your full key, but in the meantime, you can continue to use your software to its full capacity for 14 days. When you receive the email with your full key, copy the key. Then click on the key icon in the software and paste in your full license key. Click the green tick and everything's done. Once you've downloaded and registered your software, automatic software updates are available from the cloud. This ensures you're always working from the most up-to-date version of the software. Even after you've registered, you can upgrade your Labacus software to a higher level. Click on the Upgrade tab for more information. To upgrade, select Help and then Upgrade Software. Click on the upgrade level required and you'll receive our sales team's contact details. Once you've organized your upgrade, you'll get a new setup key. Copy the setup key from the email. Navigate to Upgrade Software and click Purchased Key. paste the key here. Click on the green tick and the user registration form will come up. This form should already have been filled in and saved. If that's not the case, fill it in and save it to your computer's desktop. Now, as before, email support@silverfox.co.uk attaching your registration form. Silverfox will then issue your new full license key. Once you've received your full license key, copy and paste it into the Purchase Key option in your software. You can also trial different levels of the software before you upgrade. To do so, navigate to Help and then Evaluate Other Versions. There are 3 free, full and separate days of trial for each level. The upgrade cost is the incremental cost between levels plus a small administration fee. Now, if you need any further help or information, please contact the Silverfox support team. We now offer support via WhatsApp, where you can send photos, screen dumps and even videos. We also offer TeamViewer, so we can show you on your PC how to work best with your software. Thank you for choosing Silverfox.